A 90-year-old grandmother from Northern Ireland got the first shot.
When she agreed to be vaccinated, could Margaret Keenan have known hers was a shot that would be heard around the world?
90 साल की मार्गरेट कीनन को देखिए.
In this global pandemic, all eyes are now on Britain's vaccine rollout.
The UK has started to administer
A situation that even the woman charged with securing a Covid vaccine for the UK didn't predict we'd be in.
We didn't know whether or not it was going to be possible to ever get a vaccine against Covid-19. There were no vaccines for any human coronavirus. So we started from a position of complete failure. And the question is, could we develop a vaccine? And it looks like we've been able to succeed.
The vaccine task force she led bet on multiple vaccines, a strategy that seems to be paying off. Today, the latest data on the other Oxford vaccine were published. Based on nearly 24,000 people in trials in the UK, Brazil and South Africa, it shows the vaccine is 70% effective overall. But more than 80% of participants were under 55 years old. That means more trial data could be required for licensing the Oxford vaccine in older people, something its creators are confident they'll get.
I think a headline figure that we should remember that comes out of this analysis is that from 3 weeks after the first vaccination with this vaccine, nobody was admitted to hospital or had severe disease with COVID. What we should be really pleased about today is that there will be multiple safe and effective vaccines, and that's what's going to control this pandemic.
And right now, it's hard to know which vaccine will turn out to be most useful. Are we confident we are going to know now which the best one is?
So that is the billion-dollar question that I can't answer. We don't know which is going to be the best vaccine. They do provoke immune responses in slightly different ways. And so that needs to be monitored over the next few months and years so that we can really optimise and choose the best vaccines to provide the longest protection for each different type of person. Because it may well be that elderly have different immune responses to younger people, and it may be that we'll need to adapt the vaccination programme for them versus others.
Today was a big step towards stopping the UK's COVID outbreak, but also in the global call to arms to end a pandemic.